English Speaking Practice Series for Beginners. Episode 35.
Let's practice 100 common English questions and answers for daily conversations.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Ben. My name is Ben.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. I'm from the United States.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 21 years old. I'm 21 years old.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 2nd. My birthday is on July 2nd.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
I was born in the United States. I was born in the United States.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in San Diego. I live in San Diego.
What is your phone number? What is your phone number?
My phone number is 77729213. My phone number is 77729213.
What is your email address? What is your email address?
It's ben@studentmail.com. It's ben@studentmail.com.
How often do you check your email? How often do you check your email?
I check my email several times a day. I check my email several times a day.
How tall are you? How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 10 inches tall. I'm 5 feet 10 inches tall.
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for many more lessons. What do you study? What do you study?
I'm studying computer science. I'm studying computer science.
Are you single? Are you single?
Yes, I'm single. Yes, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother.
Who do you live with? Who do you live with?
I live with roommates. I live with roommates.
What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m. I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around midnight. I go to bed around midnight.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. My favorite food is sushi.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing video games and hiking. My hobbies are playing video games and hiking.
How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
I speak only one language, it's English. I speak only one language, it's English.
What's your roommate doing right now? What's your roommate doing right now?
He's in the living room, studying for an exam. He's in the living room, studying for an exam.
Where's your brother? Where's your brother?
He's in his bedroom. He's in his bedroom.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
He's sleeping. He's sleeping.
How old is your brother? How old is your brother?
My brother is 25 years old. My brother is 25 years old.
What is wrong with him? What is wrong with him?
He's sick. He's sick.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's in the garage. It's in the garage.
What are you cooking? What are you cooking?
I'm cooking pasta. I'm cooking pasta.
Is there anything I can do to help? Is there anything I can do to help?
Everything will be okay, thanks. Everything will be okay, thanks.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park. I went to the park.
How often do you visit your grandparents? How often do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them once a month. I visit them once a month.
How often do you go to the gym? How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym 3 times a week. I go to the gym 3 times a week.
How far is the supermarket from here? How far is the supermarket from here?
The supermarket is 2 miles away. The supermarket is 2 miles away.
How many times have you been to London? How many times have you been to London?
I've been to London twice. I've been to London twice.
Is this yours? Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine.
Where is the nearest restaurant? Where is the nearest restaurant?
The nearest restaurant is just around the corner. The nearest restaurant is just around the corner.
Do you often go to the restaurant? Do you often go to the restaurant?
Yes, I like eating out. Yes, I like eating out.
Why did you choose this restaurant? Why did you choose this restaurant?
It has good reviews. It has good reviews.
Do you usually eat lunch alone? Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Not all the time. Not all the time.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat chicken. I'd like to eat chicken.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
It's delicious. It's delicious.
What would you like to take as a dessert? What would you like to take as a dessert?
I'd like to take chocolate cake. I'd like to take chocolate cake.
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food. No, I don't like spicy food.
What is your favorite type of seafood? What is your favorite type of seafood?
I like crab. I like crab.
How many cups of coffee do you drink per day? How many cups of coffee do you drink per day?
I drink 2 cups of coffee per day. I drink 2 cups of coffee per day.
How much water do you drink daily? How much water do you drink daily?
I drink about 2 liters of water daily. I drink about 2 liters of water daily.
Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee? Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Actually, I prefer neither. Actually, I prefer neither.
Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, they only take cash here. Sorry, they only take cash here.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook pretty well. Yes, I can cook pretty well.
Where did you go on your last vacation? Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to California for my last vacation. I went to California for my last vacation.